Hello, in this video I'm gonna try to help you fix the issue with your Bluetooth device not connecting properly to your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So the first thing that we need to do is go to the settings, and first we're gonna go to connections and we're gonna go to Bluetooth. Now the most basic thing that we can do is of course turn off and turn on Bluetooth. So remember to do that as the first thing if you have issues with connecting with your device. After that, you should be able to try to pair with your Bluetooth device again. Also, remember to turn off and turn on your Bluetooth device as well and put them into the pairing mode if you have an option to do so. If you have been connected to a different device before, then remember to disconnect from the previous device as well, as this can also and most likely will be the cause of that issue. Now, if that doesn't help, and you have been connected to your Bluetooth device before, what you can also do is go to the settings of the paired device. So even if you are not connected, you should be able to find your Bluetooth device in paired devices section, and you should be able to go to the settings of that Bluetooth device, and then over here you can simply unpair in order to completely forget about this device, of this Bluetooth device I mean, on your Galaxy S25 Ultra. And after that you can, for instance, once again turn off and turn on your Bluetooth device, put them into the pairing mode, and after that you can try to, for instance, scan again for Bluetooth device. So over here in the top right corner, remember that you can rescan available devices, because after a couple of seconds the device stops scanning and we can rescan again. And then if you manage to find your earbuds or wireless headphones or whatever you're trying to connect to, you should be able to select it and try to pair over here. Now, if for some reason that doesn't work as well, what you can also do is go all the way back to the main page of settings and then scroll all the way down, and here go to general management, and in general management you should be able to find reset option, and then over here go to reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings, and here confirm that you want to do that. As you can see, it is for both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, so whatever. So if you decide to refresh this, remember that you will also lose the access to all Wi-Fi networks that you have been connected to. So keep in mind that you will need to connect again and enter the password. But after that, what you can do once you reset is just go back to the connections, go back to Bluetooth, and then check if your device is in the pairing mode. If not, then once again just turn it off and on again and put them into the pairing mode and try to pair. And I hope this works for you. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!